So guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. And guess who I got this bike from? None other than my friend Tamal, who just picked up this bike from the showroom. But yes, I got the chance to put a hands on my bike to test its abilities. Let's see how it fared with the Dominar. And then there is Tamal overtaking me in my Dominar. Yeah, go, I know, it feels amazing to ride a Dominar. But it doesn't feel bad riding a Royal Enfield after all. Because personally speaking, I don't have that much of a good opinion with Royal Enfield because it vibrates a lot, okay? And when I ride a Dominar, it feels like smooth and it's so talky. So yes, I have many of my friends who owns this Royal Enfield, but I was not impressed till I rode this thing. And I must say, the gadgets, the electronic stability, okay, and the electronics that they have used here, it's amazing. The brakes are good, the response was okay, but I think the suspension could have been better. It was feeling a lot bumpy when I was going through the potholes, and yes, in the streets of Kolkata, yes, it feels a lot. The acceleration of this Meteor 350 is pretty good. So my usual riding tendency, I always used to be at the front of that signal, and whenever the signal opens I just take off with my Dominar. But yes, it felt easy with this Meteor as well. The engine is well refined. I had no issue changing the gear, so the gearbox was pretty smooth, I guess. What can be the saddest thing for a Bengali? Heartbreaks? Breakups? No. It's food.
গাড়ি গেছিলিস কেন? হ্যাঁ কোথায়? এই তো বিরিয়ানি ওখানে লেগে আছে। ঠিক আছে ছাড় বাদ দে।
And as we head across our ride through the streets in the nights of Kolkata, it felt really nostalgic seeing the two brothers riding the bikes where we used to roam the streets on our cycles, dreaming very big about life. So yes, it was indeed a special day for me. My brother has finally purchased his dream bike, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. And yes, I was having a pretty good time riding that bike. The vibrations were very less compared to the other models of RE. But yes, I think the mirrors could have been worked a bit because it was shaking a lot when I was accelerating and I was in the rev range, maybe say 3000, 4000. And yes, this brings me to another topic. There is no rev meter in this bike. So yes, again you have to understand your intuitions and you should have a good knowledge about the engine sounds and everything so as you can shift at the right moment. I can pretty much guess Tamal was having a time of his life riding my Dominar. He was enjoying overtaking me all the time. This bike has a good turning radius, so it feels very easy making around your way through the busy streets. But yes, in Dominar it feels a bit less comfortable in that, but it's manageable. Cruising on the highway, maintaining the decent speed felt so easy on this. And the electronics were doing a pretty good job. This has both front and rear ABS, which made the braking even better. So yes, I enjoyed my time riding this Meteor 350. It was good. The riding posture was a bit different from what I used to have in my Dominar, but it was a bit relaxed. Now let's check out how Tamal enjoyed riding my Dominar.
एअर पिलं त्यामुळे लागलं बल
Thanks for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for my next video.